This is the Pixel 2, and I already installed LineageOS on this device, but I think we can go a bit further with the custom ROMs and install just a stock Google GSI with nothing on it. At least for me, the Pixel 2 seems like the perfect device for this, because 1, I'm not really using this thing, I mean, it's a Pixel 2, come on. And 2, the Android Flash tool, I recently tried to do it with my Essential phone and it didn't work, but it did say the minimum device required is a Pixel 2, so this should work. Right? Windows time. This should be relatively straightforward. I mean, all we gotta do is just search up Android 16 GSI. Okay, so it seems like these GSIs are built for Pixel 6 and newer, but we should be fine. Where do I find the actual... Oh, okay, ARM64 GSI. Yeah, I don't want anything. I just want to explore exactly stock Android. Just gotta connect the phone itself now. Alright, and I guess we hit the download? No, that doesn't work. Oh, okay, select the... Oh, add new device! Duh! Yeah, unlike me, I hope this installation isn't slow. Alright, and it's found my Pixel 2, no problem. This device does not have USB debugging innate- Wait, really? LineageOS doesn't do that by default? I mean, I guess that's better for security, you know, especially if you plug your phone into random things to charge it. Okay, alright, yeah, thanks, Windows. Okay, so I just clicked on that reload prompt, allow ADB access, we should be good, right? Oh, there we go, ooh, okay. Force inspect. I don't like how that sounds. Failed to inspect device even after device reset. Try disconnect. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have to reboot, right? Let's just go into our history and get back to that Android Flash tool site. 3rd time's the charm, right? Okay, so we allow this, and... Okay, connected. There we go. So, we just click on this, and then... Unable to... Oh, okay, really? Okay, it's not so bad. I guess we could just take a look at Android 11 stock. I mean, they really don't change this thing much, so it could be the same. Your device thinks this machine is unauthorized. I mean, I just did it, but sure, I guess I'll do it again. Yeah, the device is just dead. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's doing something. Rebooting device into bootloader, formatting. Okay, so it's just like destroying my phone right now. If you lock the bootloader, you can't install custom operating system. Yeah, I know, but this thing wants me to, so I guess I have to. Is the Google logo I didn't just flash, like, the normal software this phone is supposed to run, right? This is a GSI. And this is the factory firmware. Okay, I messed up. Yeah, that's about all I can do with Android Flash tool, and, oh, I didn't have to... Why don't I pay attention? Okay, back to the internet. Install GSI Pixel 2. Put your Pixel 2 into Fastboot, flash it with a factory image. Oh, okay, so that wasn't a complete waste of time. Erase the VB meta partition and flash it with a special VB meta image that disables the AVB checks? Yeah, I totally know what that is. Flashing this image. Okay, just a random Google Drive link. I mean, it's Android Authority, so I guess I trust it. Or, my bad, sorry, XDA, not Android Authority. Alright, so we need to launch up the command prompt and get into ADB. CD documents, CD Eisenberg. Alright, and I already got the file I downloaded in here, so we can just do file flash vbmeta vbmeta.img. Oh, you know what? Yeah, actually booting the thing into fastboot mode might help first. Command should be ADB reboot fastboot, right? I just allowed it again! Phone, do you have Alzheimer's? There we go. Oh wait, instead of typing the command, oh, you can actually just hit up. Oh, I thought that was a Linux only thing. I ran that command and got flashing is not allowed in lock state, so I gotta unlock the bootloader too. If I remember correctly, it's fastboot flashing unlock, right? Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye, data. Oh yeah, nah, I'm not doing that setup again. You're going off. Alright, perfect. Come on, no issues, no issues. There we go. Kinda interested to see if Android 16 QPR2 has the Material 3 expressive design, so yeah, let's just download that one. Oh, and to be completely clear, I want the one without GMS, I just want to explore stock. Oh, really? You're taking me? Okay, nah. Alright, so I just gotta keep scrolling, right? There we go. ARM64. Alright, that's not exactly an image file. Maybe there's like one inside of it. That's the file we need right there. System.img. 60 seconds? Wow, that finished quick, but if I do it, oh, then it's a problem. Moment of truth. Please boot. Okay, alright. Oh, I didn't read. I didn't read. What is that, like the 3rd, 4th time this video? Okay, so still not booting. I think your issue is that we're trying to flash something just a bit too new for this device, so let's just do the Android 11 GSI made for the Pixel 2. TDA11, then we just paste that. Even faster this time, wow. I'm sorry, the command prompt is just so pretty. Maybe I need to do all of these, like, in the same, like, step, the same mode, because there is a VB meta file inside of here. Maybe I just replace that one with the one I was supposed to download, and then it'll work. Step 1, 2, and 3. The XDA article that had that VB meta file, it's also talking about using TWRP to install the GSI, so yeah, I guess let's use TWRP instead. I love how at the start of the video I said, oh, this would be so straightforward. Yeah, no, not really. Okay, so we are in TWRP now. Maybe this might help. Perform a factory reset. ADB push a16vb.zip to SD card. May as well push just the normal file folder as well in case we don't need a zip file. Choose to flash the system partition, and then we hit system image. Yeah, that should be it, right? Yep, okay. Yeah, you know what? Alright, maybe Android 16 is the problem again, so I guess we'll try the Android 11 one, but it didn't work before. Whatever. All I know is it's gonna be very redeeming when I get this to work. Or, I mean, if I get this to work. Yeah, this won't work. Alright, I'm just about done with this device, really. I mean, I've tried everything, okay? I've literally tried everything. TWRP, I've done the fastboot, I've typed the 50 commands, I've flashed this stuff onto the device, nothing's working, okay? Alright, so I'm browsing my desktop, and I found this thing. It's only working for Android 10 to install a GSI ROM. Alright, I guess I'll try the Android 10 one? Spoiler alert, that didn't work, okay? But I found another thing for the third time or fourth time. I've lost count. We're gonna flash the stock firmware, right? We're gonna do the Android 11 because we're gonna do 11 on top of 11, and then we're gonna run that command. Maybe it might work. No, it won't. But we'll try it. Okay, all right. Now try to guess what happened. Okay, just think in your head. What? It didn't work. Okay, that's what happened. It didn't work. I'm pretty much all out of options, so I'm just gonna do, I guess, like a bunch of research and come back to you when I have a fix, I guess. So it's been like 3 hours 30 minutes of trying this out, and you'll never believe what I just read. I was doing more research, and using a GSI requires a bootloader unlocked, treble compliant device that originally launched with Android 9 or higher. The Pixel 2 launched with Android 8. I've just been wasting my time. So after that point in the video, I just gave up and I installed Linux on this thing, which that video is actually out right now if you want to see it up in the corner. But we're going to install some sort of Android ROM on this because the original ending, which just cutting off right there, that sucks, okay? I want to at least do something. Let's see, CR Droid, Evolution X, Elemental X, Hentai OS. Removed by XDA staff. The owners of this ROM were previously warned against posting this ROM on XDA, so this is like a repeat issue. Oh, you know what? I'm so glad I took a break from this, because look, AOSP ROM, it's Android 8, but could this actually be our fix? Mod edit, download links removed. Okay, alright. Wow. Alright, well, let's just go with the closest thing I could find, which I guess is Android Open Source Illusion Project. Please don't be a dead link. Please don't be a dead link. Oh, wow, there's actually mirrors for this. Okay, good. Let's download it. Now, I do actually want to dual boot this with Linux, so I'm going to set the slot to B and then flash it. Alright, and then fastboot, flash, recovery, TWRP, p2.img. Failed remote no such partition. Alright, you know what, screw it. I'll just overwrite partition A's recovery. It's not like I'm going to be updating that Linux version anyways. Alright, then we just run that same command again. Okay, alright. Really? I can't even do this? Alright, so this XDA article from 2016 says to flash in like the boot partition, so okay, sure, whatever. I'll do anything at this point. But I mean, if we are just gonna flash it into a different section, it may as well just go back to B. Alright, so let's paste that file and then replace that with TWRP p2.img. Sudo. Oh, right. Yeah, I don't think we need sudo on Windows. If you show me that little green Android again, I'm gonna lose it, okay? I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh, thank you. Thank you. And from here, it's pretty smooth sailing. All we gotta do is just ADB sideload the file we just downloaded. Alright, ADB sideload AOSIP.zip. No way! Something actually worked on this thing? Okay, yeah, sure, let's try it out. Would you like to install the official TWRP app? Not really. Oh, you know what, actually, yeah, I'm planning to dual boot Linux, so, like, if I could swap between the A and B partitions on the fly with that app, that would be really seamless. Yeah, actually give me that. Oh, guess what? The same screen I've been seeing for 7 times in a row, but should be a pretty easy fix. I mean, it says boot slot A, so all we gotta do is just connect it and switch it over to B and then boot, and I don't know, we'll see. There we go. And the TWRP screen again. Okay, I really can't get a single win with this phone. I really can't. Is it maybe because we didn't, like, swipe to factory reset? I mean, I don't want to lose my Linux partition, but anything to get this working. Also gotta wipe the art cache. Wait, if it's in slot A, yeah, okay, my Linux partition is gone now. Thanks! Alright, well, I got nothing to lose now. Let's just flash it to slot A. We are now in slot A. Alright, I just flashed the ROM to slot A, rebooted TWRP. Let's see if we actually get into the OS now. This phone! This phone! Holy shit! It's gotta be the ROM that's the problem, okay? Because I'm booting into this fine. TWRP works fine. It's just... the ROM? Yeah, it's gotta be the ROM. Okay, new ROM. We've got a dotOS, and this seems like a bit of a weird custom ROM, so this should be fun to play with. 2021, sure, why not? dotOS p2.zip. Alright, who's ready for this to not work? Are you serious? ADB failed to read command, no error. Okay, maybe it installed correctly, maybe. Let's just reboot. Oh, we finally have something booting! Oh my god, it has been way too long for this project. Way too long. I think it's been 6 hours total. After all of that hard work, we don't really have a stock operating system installed, but to tell you the truth, I'm just happy to have something, so let's get exploring. The first thing that really pops out to me on this phone is the notification shade. This looks like, yeah, it looks like a mix of the Android 11 and Android 12 designs, which, actually, what Android version is this? Oh, okay, yeah, wow, settings is, it's very customized. I'm glad, because this is actually like a fresh breath of air. I mean, stock Android, I've seen that a bunch before, but this is definitely something new. Okay, and we are actually running Android 11 on this thing, which, that's pretty surprising. I mean, like, come on, tell me this does not look like Material U. What about some of the apps for this thing? What about the web browser? Oh, okay, is this just like the standard Android 11 web browser? According to the app info, this is actually a rebranded LineageOS web browser, which I guess that explains why it's so simple. Next up, we got the camera. Oh, okay, yeah, this is just a stock Android camera, right? I find it pretty cool when you click app info up here, it shows you like a little blurb of info that you don't need to like dig into settings for, but yeah, I actually do need to see more. Oh, okay, com.android.camera too. Okay, yeah, it's AOSP. Yeah, clock is ancient as well. When's the last time you've seen this color scheme? Okay, so contacts, that's AOSP. We got files. Yeah, that's AOSP. We got gallery. Yeah, that's AOSP. Messages. Yep, okay. Music. Ooh, okay, this is something new. Seems like it's just a way to organize all your music and play it easily. What's in the settings? Retro Music Pro, black theme, really? Your custom ROM has a paywalled feature? So yeah, everything here is AOSP except for browser, music, and settings, which, that's really lazy. I know I said I wanted stock Android, but when you put this much effort into the settings page and you like, copy and paste the messages, really? Like, I'm disappointed, okay? I can't hide it. Alright, what about the customization on this thing? Maybe that'll save it. We've got wallpaper colors. Oh wait, this is like, yeah, it's like a proto version of Material U's like wallpaper color themes. That's, okay, that's pretty cool. And what's system colors? Oh, okay, you can just change the accent colors yourself like how it normally was on Android 11. Alright, I'll bite. What's theme colorfulness? Oh, okay, just makes it blue? I mean, I guess I like the color. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Theme brightness. Okay, what happens if we like crank it all the way down? Oh, okay, yeah, I mean, it says it right there, but, I mean, it makes all the colors darker. Oh, okay, yeah, or it doesn't. Okay, back to that. Oh, end system. Okay, yep, shit's breaking, Even when I have something actually installed and booting on this phone, shit just still doesn't work, okay? This is like a catastrophe, alright? Anyways, back to the customizations. You can change the clock face design. the fonts on the system. That's pretty cool. And we have a more in-depth menu for more of the customizations. So what's up with the status bar? You can modify the way the battery pops up. Pretty neat. You can show your network traffic, and I mean, I've got this thing connected to the internet, and it's not sending any information over the web, so hey, there you go, it's not spying on me. We've got an app lock, which, that doesn't work. Can we, like, maybe lock it on the home screen? No? Okay, yeah, this is, it's just broken. Alright, cool. We got a system page, which, okay, this seems where all the actually interesting stuff is. Hold the torch. Sure, why not? Wow, okay, yeah, you lied to me. Is it maybe when the screen's off? Oh, okay, yeah, there we go. Navbar pill, customized length. Can we just, like, turn it off? Oh, okay, yeah, that's neat. Advanced reboot, lock screen media art, and music visualizer. Okay, these just seem fun. Yeah, restart has been replaced with advanced, and, ooh, bootloader recovery and system UI. Wait, what is that? Actually, yeah, I'm interested. Oh, it just, like, resprings your system. That's actually pretty good. I mean, I can imagine a couple of use cases for this when Android is, like, bugging out and you don't want to, like, fully restart your device. As for the lock screen art, yeah, that doesn't seem to be working. As for the music visualizer, I guess let's just transfer over some stock music. I mean, it seems like the waveforms aren't that reactive, but I guess it's a neat feature. It wasn't worth all the work I put into it. So anyway, that's dotOS and me trying and really badly failing to install a GSI on the Pixel 2. Now, okay, yeah, why is the notification shade pink? Now, the end result we got on this thing with dotOS, I mean, I guess the features are cool, but just use LineageOS, really. That's my opinion. Even though this was a disaster, I do actually have a Pixel 3a coming in the mail, which I do plan to install a GSI on, and I mean, that thing actually shipped with Android 9, so it should work. Why do I keep saying that? I'm like cursing myself at this point. Anyways, let me know down in the comments what other phones you want to see with custom ROMs, or what kind of custom ROMs you want me to install, and I'll take a look at them, and I might do them. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.